Every profession requires professional tools, but what does an HVAC technician carry in his toolbox? Hi, my name is Jacob McBee, owner of My Favorite Service Company, and in today's video, for either the technicians that are curious as they grow their toolbox or homeowners that are wondering what they should be looking for in a technician that shows up to their home, I'm going to go over some of the things that our HVAC technicians carry with My Favorite Service Company. One of the first tools and most important tools with My Favorite Service Company you'll see is our iPads. All the technicians will carry iPads, and you'll see us on them quite often. That's because these are what we enter all the information in to generate our third-party verified report. We also take pictures of everything that we find, clean, tune, and adjust along the way, so we can give you a complete report for your records. We also store those for you if you ever need to get copies of them. So the iPad is a very important one for us. Another tool that you might commonly see with technicians is a set of gauges. Well, most of them look like this, but My Favorite Service Company, ours look more like this. Of course, there's 7 other Bluetooth monitors that connect to this. Those monitors are actually what helps us generate that third-party verified report. This is important because it's just not the technician out there looking at the system in his opinion, but instead somebody else looking at it and verifying exactly what they found and that it's correct. Of course, there's a handful of tools that we carry in our tool bags. All kinds of screwdrivers, pliers, wrenches, tools that are specific to the trade, and some that are kind of general for all trades. We also have multimeters that have a multitude of things that they check, like amps, voltages, ohms, microfarads, and so many other things. And for the heating season, of course, we've got special tools to verify you don't have gas leaks, carbon monoxide leaks, or other things there. Then lastly, we also have tools that will actually check the quality of the air in your home, indoor air quality monitors, so we're able to determine just how clean and healthy or not the air in your home is, because we want to make sure that you're breathing clean, fresh, and healthy air. In conclusion, we carry some of the tools that are just like everybody else, and we carry some tools that not many other people carry. But know that the tools we carry are the best tools that we can carry to make sure that your system is diagnosed properly, verified, so that you can depend on us and your air conditioning system for comfort year-round. For any other questions or concerns, please call us or visit us at our website.